Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Today the front all of you, I have come to taking again some conversation points to the front of my two students, and today I want to discuss with uh, those and how they have experienced anything in English that things I shall have to find out with two persons. Then everyone please you keep on my video and you let watch of that. Okay. Then now first you tell to me what is your name?
My name is Vivek Kumar.
Okay, your name is Vivek Kumar. Then now in which class do you read?
Now I am reading in 10th class.
Okay, you are reading in 10th class.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you have completed of the syllabus all of 10th class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so English subject, how have you prepared? You have prepared to well or not?
Yeah, it is well.
It is well.
Yeah.
You don't have problem
No, I have no problem.
in any English topics in English related of any points?
No, I have no problem.
Okay. Then first I am wanting to tell of you
Yes, sir.
in grammatical points something I am going to discuss the front of you. I think grammatical also that is so nice.
Yeah.
Tense you have completed.
Yeah.
How many parts of tense? How many kinds of tense?
3 type of kind.
Okay.
Tense.
Okay. Can you tell me of that each name of that tense?
Okay, sir, I can tell.
Okay.
Present tense, past tense, and future tense.
Very good. Okay. Do you know voice?
Yeah, I know.
How many kinds of voice?
Voice. 2 kinds of voice, active and passive.
Okay. Active or passive you both are knowing?
Yeah, I know.
You don't have problem?
No,
if I shall give of you any sentence in active, then can you change of that into passive to very soon?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. Then all sentence I am giving of you in related of tense. Okay.
Okay.
I was calling you.
You was being called by me.
You have mistaken little, you take care. What have you mistaken?
Yeah.
Yeah, again, can you improve of that?
Yeah.
I was calling you. Tell them again.
I
was calling you. Find out of that object.
yeah.
Yeah, tell that.
You were
Hmm.
being called by me.
Very good. Now you came in very right point. But something you are confused, understanding sometime. But I am telling of you, whenever you sit in front of the teacher, whether you sit in front of more any greater person, at that time you keep up your mind to exact correct. Understanding? Do not keep up your divert mind. Understand? If you keep to merging of the minds, then really you will nothing understand.
Okay.
So this is the big point of any student. You keep patience to very great and great. Understanding?
Yeah.
The front of any person, you try to expose of any matter which is you have in your heart, in your mind. That thing just you detect from your mind and you expose that. Okay? How is your remove to? Remove to do you know?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. One question I am giving of you on remove to.
Okay.
Sita is too fat to run.
Sita is so fat that she cannot run.
Very good. Sita is so fat that she cannot run.
Yeah.
Very good. Next question more I am wanting to ask of you. How is your narration?
Narration is good.
Also narration is good.
Yeah.
If any sentence I shall give you orally, can you tell me that?
Okay, sir, I can tell.
Okay, listen carefully of that. Again, you should not mistake.
Okay, sir.
Listening of that question, just you start to confuse and you start to think in the minds, what have I say? What have I to say? Understand it?
Okay, sir.
That thing you take care. He said to me, "How are you?"
He asked me how I was.
Very good. Nice. This sentence you have solved very exactly correct.
Yeah.
But now I am wanting to discuss about of our subject, about of our books.
Yeah.
Understanding?
Okay, sir.
All those story of that books you have completed.
Yeah.
How many books do you have in your 10th class in English?
2 books.
Can you tell me name of that each books?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me.
First place,
And
this is first book,
yeah.
and second is a footprint without a footprint without feet.
Okay, I think all those story you have read
Yeah.
to each books.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me any story from that book?
Yeah, I can tell.
Okay, which from the first slide there is coming first story. That is, I think that is the name of a letter to God.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me of that story?
Yeah, I can.
You have completed well of that story.
Yeah.
No any sentence you should mistake.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then some sentences you will have to tell here. How many sentences can you speak from the story of A Letter to God, I shall have to check that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Start to tell.
Today I am going to tell one story. That story name is A Letter to God.
Okay.
In
सब loudly you tell that. Understanding?
yeah, okay. In this story, there was one farmer. His name was Lencho.
Very good.
He was farming corn.
Yeah.
He was living a small top of Kili.
Okay. Means he was living on the lower top of hill.
Yeah.
Very good.
There was no any his neighbor. He
Yeah.
was in that place. There was live solitary.
Okay. That place was solitary.
Yeah.
Means where this farmer was living, that place was solitary.
Solitary.
Means there was not any neighborhood of that person
Yeah.
who is coming in this story.
Story.
What is the name of that person? Lenko.
Lenko.
Okay. Lenko. Very good.
He had two sons and one wife.
Yeah.
Who was big son? He was working in the field, and who was a small son? He was playing in the courtyard.
Yeah.
And his wife was cooking dinner.
Very good, very good. I understood of that. I think you have no problem in telling of any story, guys.
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
get it.
Something I think whenever you start to tell of that of any story, at that time you keep of very peace of your mind, understanding.
Okay.
And when you will come exact in peace, then if you will want to speak of any sentence, no any sentences will be mistaken. Okay.
Okay.
Something you are going in hesitations. Okay. Also that will be removed if you will continually you will try to speak of any story in your daily life. Then understanding.
Okay.
Will you do that which I have told
Yes,
you?
sir.
Any strategy for improving of that in your future?
Yes, sir. I shall do.
Will you follow?
Yeah.
Always?
Yeah.
Very good. Now something I am discussing with you. I think also you have sitting in the front of me for taking of any topics.
Yes.
If I shall give of you any topics, can you discuss on that?
Yes.
Okay. Before discussing on any topics, first I am wanting to ask of your name. What is your real name?
My name is Manisha Kumari.
In which class do you study now?
Now I am reading in 7th class.
Now you are reading 7th class.
Yeah.
If any question I shall ask of you from our 7th class English book, can you answer me that all question?
But I didn't read.
You have not read. I think this year there is going on lockdown on account of that you have not read of any chapter.
Yes.
Then grammar you have good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in grammar you have not any problem in discussing.
No.
If I shall give of you any question that related from so tense, voice, degree, narration, and more any other parts of the things, can you tell me of that all?
Yes.
Okay. Then tense is well.
Yes.
It's supposed to tell to me one sentence in your present perfect tense. वह मैदान जा चुकी है.
He has gone to garden.
Very good. Garden by the field.
He.
Also you can say there.
Yes.
Okay. मैं किताब पढ़ चुका था.
I had read book.
Very good. But can you tell me of any sentences in passive voice?
Yes.
Okay. One sentence I am giving of you in active that just you will have to change into passive. So please you listen of my given question to very peacefully and answer to me to matching with very correct of that sentence. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. You don't have problem?
No.
In voice you have not of any little problem?
No.
Not. Okay. Sita is cooking meat. Sita is cooking meat.
Meat is being cooked by Sita.
Okay. Meat is being cooked by Sita. Okay. Nice. Now again I am wanting to ask of you some questions from your out of tense. Can you answer to me?
Yes.
मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ेगा.
I shall have to go to school.
Okay. I shall have to go to school. Understood?
Yes.
मुझे किताब होगा.
I shall have book.
Very good. मुझे पटना जाना है.
I have to go to Patna.
Very good. तुम क्या करते हो? तुम क्या करते हो?
What do you do?
Very good. Okay. Do you know of this tense? In which tense I have asked of this sentence?
Yes.
Okay. Which tense that is sentence?
Present indefinite.
Okay. That sentence was for present indefinite tense. Very good. But voice you have completed?
Yes.
If I shall give of you more any sentences in voice, you can change to that very well.
Yes.
Okay, I am not giving of you that voice related of tense. I shall give of you any voice from out of tense, and you will have to answer to me very quick. Can you do? Okay. I must be teaching you. I must be teaching you.
You must be being taught by
Very good. You must be being taught by.
me.
Very good. I think you have known of that voice making too very nice.
Yes.
Okay. Next point. Again, I am going to ask of you. Have you read narration point?
Yes.
Also, you don't have problem in narration.
No.
Okay. Need to listen carefully that which question I am going to have the front of you. You will have to answer to me to making very correct. Okay. Raju said to me. Raju said to me, where are you going? Raju said to me, where are you going?
Raju asked me where I was
Going. Where I was going. Okay. Do you know this sentence? Which sentence I have asked of you? In which sentence part has comes? That has comes in our affirmative sentence, whether in a helping verb interrogative sentence, whether with question word interrogative sentence, which I have spoken just. Did you understand of that or not?
Yes.
In which parts of the sentence that sentence came?
Interrogative sentence.
In interrogative sentence. But also there are many parts in interrogative sentence. That was in helping verb interrogative sentence, whether that was of question word interrogative.
Then
Okay, that was of a question word.
yes.
Question words interrogative sentence. Okay. Remove to, I think also you have read.
Yes.
You know that.
Yes.
In your little age you have read of that remove to. It is very wonderful matter. Then I am going to ask of you one questions from remove to. Okay. What is your name?
Manisha Kumar.
Okay, Manisha is too thin. Manisha is too thin to walk.
Manisha is so thin that he can't walk. She
Manisha,
can't.
she can't walk. Okay, because you are female. Understanding? So you will have to put there
See.
say. Nice. Next question more I am wanting to ask of you. Do you know in this modern time how most importance is English? This point you know, this matter you are knowing. English is importance for all of us life or not?
Yes.
English is importance. Okay, what does English give to all of us? You know that? What does English give to all of us?
No.
You don't know about that.
Yes.
English gives us great personality, understanding. If you are knowing the languages of English, but if you are starting to discuss with each another friend, actually your personality will become to more and more higher, understanding.
Yes.
So actually also English speaking, it is very compulsory for all of us life, understanding. For getting a very ground personality, understanding. If you are wanting to get very ground personality in the life, then you will have to learn of the first language of English. But all of us mother tongue, that is your Hindi language.
Yeah.
And if we'll discuss about of that, our rustic language is here, Khotha. Ah,
Yeah.
Yes.
but almost time we start to discuss in Khotha language. That's why our English is not having better. Understanding? If you're wanting to make to better of the English, then most of the time you will have to discuss what English.
Yes.
Understanding? Whatever you are thinking, that you all will have to think in English. Then all English sentences will have in a tongue, and you will make contact with each another to very great. Understanding? You will not have of any little hassle in speaking. Understood? Okay. Something I am wanting to discuss of you, education about in this modern time. Do you know about of education?
I know, but some.
Some. Can you tell me some line about of the education? What most important is education in all of us life? Tell that. What do you understand the means of education? About that point you will have to have here. Okay, and also I said listen of that. What will you tell about of that education sentences? And actually also he has sitting beside of you. Also he will listen of any a staying point about of the education. Understood? Have you any sentences in your mind about of the education or not?
Yes.
Then we'll take to that.
Education is very important of human life.
Yeah.
If any human's education is not good, then human's life is destroyed.
Very good.
Because in this modern time,
Good.
Very-
Attempt. In this-
importance of
good education.
Good is
Very good, very good. Means you are knowing something about of that. Means what most important is education for all of us. Huh? Education is very important for everyone's life. Understanding the people who is not knowing of anything and who has not good education, really those persons are called what? Dry youth. What is called?
dry.
Understanding or not?
Yes.
And the people who has good education and they have of any magnificent knowledge, and through of magnificent knowledge they can do of any great work. Really, it is get means they are getting the benefits through of that great magnificence. Understanding? It is very important for all
I
of us.
want to tell one opinion about education.
Which kinds of opinion you are wanting to tell?
Education is heaven of key.
Very good. Wow, great meter. Education also is great heaven of life.
Yeah.
Understanding? And more any sentences you have about of education?
Yeah, education. If education in your have not lived, then you can't do anything. Education is like a wealth.
Oh,
It gives us very lots of things. You can do anything in your life.
wow. If you have good education, then you can do of anything.
Yeah.
Good man. Good. I think you have good opinion to you all. I am telling of you like this. You always hold one in your life and try to discuss one any new topics in your daily life. Understanding?
Yeah.
If any Hindi sentences will be asked by someone, then how will you answer them? You will have to answer of those people who will ask of any question in Hindi, and they will say, "Okay, please you translate into English of that Hindi sentences." Then can you do all that too very quick?
Yes.
If your grammatical points you have completed to very well, then you won't have any problem in telling of that sentence into English. Understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay. In the next point, I am wanting to ask of you something more about our English vocabulary.
Okay.
Have you good vocabulary?
Yeah.
You tell.
Yes,
You have good vocabulary. You don't have problem also in vocabulary.
I have problem, but
Yeah. Also, that problems you are facing from that problem, whether you will remove of that problem.
I removed that problem.
You are wanting to remove that problem. Then how will you remove of that problem? You will remember whether after remembering of that words, you will use with each another, whether only you will keep of that all word to cramming in the mind. What will you do that? You will use of that word, whether you will keep of that all word to cramming in the mind.
I used to that.
You will use of that word with each another. Then that will be very beneficial for you. Understanding? And if you not use of any word which you have crammed, then that will be what? That will be gone from your mind. It will not be linger for longer life. Understanding? And if you want to speak again in the next time in your future, at that time if you will start to find out of that words from the minds, that will not come if you not use that word which you have remembered them. Okay?
Okay.
And you tell me, Mister, have you very good vocabulary?
Yes, sir. Which is in my mind, I can tell also.
Okay, means which is in your minds that you can talk to very well.
Yes.
You won't have any problem.
No, I have no problem.
Okay, then in the next video,
Okay.
I shall take up more deeply.
Yeah.
Deeply test means how much do you keep knowledge in English. Okay,
Okay.
if I shall give up any topics in any story on that topics, you will have to tell to me very longer. Understand?
Okay.
Without taking of hesitations. Till then, I am telling you both.
Okay.
Like this, always you keep on in your life and you make to successful life. Understanding?
Yes.
There is called one motivational ghazal.
What is that?
What is that? I am telling of you.
Yeah.
The person who has good knowledge, really those are very great person.
Yeah.
Understanding? Now we are mistaking something in our grammatical, that is good, but from the next times you will have to improve that. And also there is called one educational point. What? The person who has never mistaken any little, the person who has never mistaken any little, they have never learnt of any new thing in their life. जिसने कभी अपनी जिंदगी में गलती किया ही नहीं, उसने कभी जिंदगी में एक नई चीज को सीखा ही नहीं. Understanding? But you have mistaken here little, but from the next time you try to search out of that where have I mistaken.
Yeah.
Okay, and from the next time that you stop and that you make to very clear. Understanding?
Okay.
If you will keep like this mention in the mind, then really you will not take of any little hesitation. Okay, then my all viewers, the persons who is watching of my video, I want to tell them, if you have heard very nice of these group discussions, then please you like, subscribe, like this video. Again in the next time I shall upload on my channels, and keep on watching forever.